Welcome to another unboxing video, my friends. Today I'm checking out this under the desk cable management system here. So this is pretty sweet. It comes with some cable ties there, and then some sticky pads here. A bunch of these little wire clips also. Some screws for installation. Nice little thing on there. You can stick this onto your desk and then run your wires through there. Like so, it goes down over the edge. Instructions also right here. And then our parts. So this is just going to basically clip onto your desk here, and then it has a nice little tray here underneath. There's two of these, and then the tray right here. So that is actually pretty cool. Some good size, and these are going to tuck in under there and hold this in place. I wish I would have had one of these earlier when I did my desk that I'm currently on. I made just like a 2x4 kind of desk, but then I had to build like a little desk, a little like box underneath to hold my other stuff. And so this, I'm going to use this on my son's desk. He's got an Xbox and things like that. But I can just hang this underneath there, and that's going to tuck all his wires and everything, because we used before like a zip ties to hold stuff to the legs of the table and stuff. So this is going to be a lot more efficient, a lot better at organizing. You know, you can put this, is just going to be tucked out into the back part of the desk, which is normally right next to the wall, and then you can put your power strips and all your other cords and everything right here. So I'm going to go set it up, guys, and show you what it looks like. Okay, so let's build the shelf real quick. Looks like, what we got going on here? Get the little instructions. Fix the telescopic interface. Screw these on there. Okay, so let's get rolling here. Shouldn't be too difficult, I don't think. All right. So let's see. This is coming down here. So it's like this. All right, so there we go. Hold that into place, and then tighten this on there. I guess I should use my my right hand to get that on there. Okay, that was a lot easier. And we'll just tighten this one on there as well. All right. Now these ones just go on this middle shelf. We're just attaching it right here. Just like that. And there's that one. And here we go. This one right here. So this is adjustable. I'm assuming this is just going to go right here like this, no problem though. So let's put that one on. All right, there's that one. And there we go. They gave us an extra screw, looks like. That was nice. All right, and let's take my little, they gave us a little Allen key there, and I can attach that to the back and cinch that down. It doesn't have to be anything crazy tight here. There we go. All right. There we go. And we're almost done. We're halfway there. Right, one more to go. And then we can just get our desk all tidied up. All right, so that's gonna just clamp on to the desk like that. And it says to add our little attach the spacer on there. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this on there. Nice little pad. That's going to help it just be a little bit more secure. So just like that. Okay, now it looks like we put a spacer. I don't think I need a spacer on there. We have all these other things. And let's attach it to the table now, shall we? Okay, so this is just going to go right on here. And that's just going to hook this top part onto the thing right there. Okay, and now that those are there, we're just going to tighten these wing nuts on there. We'll tighten down these screws. I was hesitant to, I thought there might not be enough room here, but there's going to be plenty of room here for this, and it's going to hang down nicely. So these are just taking a while to screw in there. So we'll try to both at the same time. Just a lot of threads, so it's just taking a while. But once we get it on there, it's going to secure it nicely. And if you have a desk or whatever, this is just going to hide your wires out of the way and really organize. I'm going to show you guys what we have going on right now and how the wires are and how much this is going to actually help just keep the wires, and not only the wires but everything else, just nicely. Good night. These screws are taking forever though. Six hours later. Okay, so we're getting this one now finally. Maybe. Thought I was getting it on there. Are you kidding me? I'm still screwing this thing on here. This is crazy. What is going on here? So it just, I couldn't actually screw it on there because there wasn't enough. Yes, it wasn't. So it's got a thin part under this table, and even though I screw this one all the way to the top, probably not going to fall off of there, but actually I don't think it can fall off of there. Okay, so there's that, and it took a little while longer. Now we can get all our wires and everything squared away here. Okay, so we can kind of see what we had going on before. We got this power strip strapped over here, bunch of wires just hanging down in the back, and everything looked kind of cruddy. So we're gonna clean it all up, get it all tucked on there, and show you guys what it looks like. Well, here we go. That's looking quite a bit better. We just kind of tucked everything up right on there. Use some of the ties, do zip it into place there. Works really well. I think it looks about 10 times better than it did. The wire's all out of the way. And if you're up here at your desk, you can't even see them because they're all tucked down way under there. So about the only one that's going to see all your wires if someone's cleaning under your desk or whatever. So looks a lot better and a lot more organized, and no like catching your feet on your wires or anything, or zip ties and all that junk. So thanks for watching, my friends. I hope this review was helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.